So you found out why my car was failing the emissions test.
We sure did. It turned out to be your PCV valve.
Sorry, what's that?
It controls the amount of gases returning to the cylinder to be burned. Basically, it is a device used to lower your emission.
Oh, okay. So did you just clean it?
Well, we unclotched it and ran the diagnostic again, but there was not much improvement.
Oh, that's not good.
It is okay. We install a new valve and are running the test on more time.
Okay, I have the new valve. That's the trick. I really need my car to pass the emission test.
Don't worry, I'm sure the new valve will improve your emission significant.